In today's video, we are going to discuss about English speaking atmosphere. Because friend, those students have a English speaking atmosphere from childhood. They don't have to learn English. They don't have to take another effort to learn English. Automatically, with that atmosphere, they will speak English. But what happens with those students don't have English speaking atmosphere, and how they can create an English speaking atmosphere? Because once you got English speaking atmosphere, automatically your English will be improved. If you are practicing with yourself, it's too much difficult and you don't get confidence to speak. What happens once if you will start with your in public with your friend, automatically your confidence will be improved and you will speak more. And another thing you can do, if you don't have any English speaking atmosphere, you can record a video, you can speak something in it. Neither in front of a mirror you can speak, and it will improve also your English skill. That's the nice things. Okay, and friend, I want to give us one suggestion. Don't worry, you should speak in public. If people will laugh on you, they will kidding you with you, don't worry about it. Try to speak. Automatically your confidence will be boosted and you will speak very fluently with people, and that's the most important. Also, what happened after a long time, I came in college and everything speak in Marathi and Hindi, but I started to speak in English. Most of people don't reply me at the starting time, and once I practicing it every day, I was speaking. Then after they also came to me. They want to also speak English. Now they want to also improve their English speaking skill. They are asking to me, please improve my English speaking. Same things will happen with you. Try to continue, make a consistency. 100% your speaking will be improved. And try to learn everyday basis some vocabulary, and it's involved in your conversation. Because what happens, only reading vocabulary, it will not come in your conversation. You have to make sentences on that basis, and then after you will speak it. You automatically it will involve in your conversation. It will be habitual for your subconscious mind. And like this, only try to dare. Through this video, I want to tell you, try to dare speak with anyone. Don't worry about anything. They will laugh. Okay? 100% they will laugh. It's happened with everyone. Try to speak only. Automatically everything will be clear. And thank you so much. Every day, watch my video. 100% it will helpful for you. And let's subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.